How to create scramble text effect with Fusion Modifiers in Davinci Resolve. Go to the Effects panel and click on Titles. Drag and drop a text plus in timeline. Move the playhead above your text, select the text, and open up the Fusion page. Select the template node and in the inspector, enter a text and change its style to your liking. Then right-click on the text box and select Text Scramble. Now the Modifier tab is available, click on it. In the substitute chars, enter the character you want to show randomly. Move the playhead to the start, click on diamond button next to randomness, and set it to 0.7 to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead to frame 60 and click on this small circle button to set randomness to 0. And now we have this scramble effect, but we can add a typewriter animation to it. Click on Tools tab and move the playhead to the start. Click on diamond button next to write on and decrease N value to 0. Move the playhead to frame 60 and increase N to 1. And now we have a scramble typewriter text effect. Here you also can add some glow to the text. Click on the template node, then press Shift plus space, search for glow, and add it after the template. Select the glow and increase glow's size. Now go back to the edit page. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.